Well, I'm also making an update for Flossie because it's 8 a.m. PST, and the new advisory's in, and it's still intensifying. Cloud tops the CDOs minus 80C. I just want to talk about this advisory. They went with 85 knots, so it's a Cat 2. It's moving 3.5 by 9 knots. It should move, yeah, northwestward over the next few days, decreasing in speed. Um, yeah, which is in line with the models I showed you. It's the last forecast update an hour ago. I mean, yeah, so it's pretty clear cut. Wind shear is forecast to be favorable for strengthening as long as Flossie remains over warm water. While the hurricane has started to move over decreasing sea surface temperatures, the intensity guidance suggests it will take about 20 hours to reach waters cold enough to stop acidification. Based on this, the new forecast calls for another 24 hours of strengthening. After that, Flossie is expected to rapidly weaken. So they're going with a major hurricane, 115 knots, and 24 hours. I agree. I mean, this thing is absolutely going to town. Let's see if we can update our satellite. Boom! Look at that eye. Nice eye wall eye. Yeah, cool. Yeah, that's what we have on Flossie. Like I showed you earlier. Look at that IR of it. Boom. Forecast track. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. I mean, it's actually weird that the morning models literally hardly even show a system in the link. I mean, well, later today it does show a system. There's EPS enablers. Yeah, hardly anything. I mean, GFS, nothing at 120. I mean, what the fuck? I mean, maybe I don't think it had much of a chance of formation, but it is something to be watched. There's 150 out of GEFS, 126, literally nothing. Let's see if we can show you vortices. And you definitely have a trough where it could form, but literally nothing else with 126. That is not exactly promising for tropical cyclone formation. Well, you got definitely a system in the Eastern Pacific on the GFS, a 144, 162. And, well, I thought I'd add a little bit more to this. Right? We can look at the world. We don't always have to stop. Oh, 90W is looking pretty damn good. I mean, look at that. Expecting to stay south of Japan, move northward. Maybe another tropical storm. It actually looks like a tropical storm already. Wow. Yeah, LSC looks better than Andrew, that's for damn sure. Let's see. I yeah, I 8W close to the Philippines. That has some serious model support. I mean, look at that GFS enablers. It takes it down into the 950s. Yeah. Well, anyway, that's a little bit of extension of your tropical update. Uh, but I like to say something. A goddamn budget bill. It's supposed to cut our fucking labs. It's supposed to fucking. I mean, fucking Trump wants to cut our microwave energy later this month. This guy is taking apart our ability to forecast tropical cyclones. I don't get why people vote for this shit. You know, it costs pennies, but yeah, we need to go after it and give billionaires more money. And I think it's wrong. And it's gonna hurt people. It's gonna kill people. But they don't give a damn. Yeah, it's so sad. I'll talk to you later.